much. Too much. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my January beauty box unboxings with Birchbox, Ipsy, Boxycharm, and Facetory. So without further ado, let's get into the first box. As usual, we're going to start off with Birchbox, and this is January's box. It's definitely abstract, but it's not what's on the outside that matters, it's what's on the inside. Deep moments with Jess. Alright, I guess I'll start off with this one first. It's the Bioderma Hydrabio Serum Moisturizing Concentrate for very dehydrated and sensitive skin. Weird enough, I actually saw this recently at Namie's and I was very intrigued by it. So I'm glad I get to try it out now because I almost bought it but I wasn't like sold quite yet. It is a really itty bitty little tube. I could probably get like a use or two out of it. But I guess that's like kind of the point. Enough for you to figure out if you like it or not. And then next thing we have in here, ooh, I really like this packaging a lot. Very cool. This is Aero Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm. Ooh, okay. Oh, it opens like that. Oops, wrong way. Okay, so this is the color. It's kind of like this dusty lavender shade. It smells like a sweet pepperminty smell. I can't really smell very well because I'm having like allergies, but I'm gonna swatch it on the back of my hand. It looks like a very natural, like soft pink little tint. It's not like anything crazy. Yeah, it's just like a little bit more pink. So it's gonna give you like your lips, but a little bit more vibrant situation. And it feels really nice too. It's not like sticky or too waxy feeling. So next thing we have is from R & Co. And this is the Dry Shampoo Paste. What? Huh? Paste. I've never... That is so weird. It actually looks like a jar of mold. I know that's a really weird way to put it, but it looks like a jar of like that white fuzzy mold. This is what it looks like. Oh, smells really good. That's some good smelling mold. I kind of want to like scoop out a little with my nail and see how the heck does this... Ooh, it kind of like disperses into like a powdery finish, but how the heck do you use this? Like, I need to read this little paper here. Part dry shampoo, part texturizer. This paste offers max style with little effort. Rub a small amount between your fingertips and apply at roots to quickly absorb oil and add volume. Okay, I'm not a dry shampoo gal, but I have been looking for things like this to kind of just like add volume. And because it's kind of like a texturizer paste type of situation, I feel like it'll give my hair a little bit of like oomph. So I'll definitely give that a try. It's a very interesting product. Okay, next thing in here is from the Beauty Crop, and this is the Love You So Latte. I love it already. Eyeshadow trio, and it has 3 little different colors in here. Pretty neutral shades like browns and bronzy shades. I don't know. I have a lot of things like this. I just got a PR package with a bunch of the new Smashbox trios. So I'm probably going to give this away to somebody, so I'm not going to open it, but that's pretty cool to get. And lastly, we have a perfume sample. This is from Tokyo Milk, Marquis Depose Light Awaken Within Eau de Parfum. And this has notes of jasmine, orange blossom, neroli, and citrus and sky. Essence of sky, guys. I'm gonna give it a little spritz on the paper to see what it smells like. My spidey senses are not the best today. My nose is a little bit congested. Ooh. I don't mind that. It, too much, too much. It smells so yummy, but I want this in a candle, not maybe a perfume. I feel like it's a little too strong of a scent to wear on a body, but if this was a candle, I would like this every single day. It smells really good. So that was everything in my Birchbox, and it doesn't look very exciting. It wasn't like the most exciting box, but the Bioderma little hydrating thing here, the lip balm, and this dry shampoo paste situation, I'm really intrigued and I really want to try those out a lot. So 3 out of 5, not too bad. The perfume smells really nice. Maybe just not something I would personally wear on my skin. Candle, yes. And the eyeshadows, I just probably won't use it. Now we have January's Ipsy Glam Bag, and this month's bag is like very sporty, very colorful. I dig it, it's cute. Not my favorite of bags, but oh, the little tie here, that's adorable. It is fun, I'm not gonna lie. So we have the little paper in here, I will conquer, and I guess I get to put what I'm gonna conquer. I will conquer not eating so much food. Yeah. Okay, let's get into this. So first thing in here we have is from Koki Professional. I've actually seen this brand in Walmart, I believe, and I've been very intrigued by it. Like, I've been wanting to try out a bunch of stuff, but I don't know like what's good. What's good, Koki? What's good? This is the Kissable Liquid Lipstick. Ooh, yay. Mad About Mauve. Speaks to my soul. So this is definitely like a warmer brown mauve rather than like on the cooler purpley side. So let's give it a little swatch. It has a very moussey consistency. It's going on a little bit streaky, but okay. I'm not detecting like a really strong scent or anything, so that's what the shade looks like. Really pretty, definitely something I would wear. I'm gonna see if that like dries down or it's like a liquid lipstick that just, it's a lipstick, you know what I mean? So we're gonna leave that there and hope I don't rub that all over my shirt. White makes me very nervous. Next thing in here is from The Balm. This is the Mary Luminizer highlighter, and I actually have the full-size version of this, which I absolutely love. This is an amazing highlighter. It's really great. But I probably won't end up using this tiny little thing because, like I said, I do have the full size. But the reason I have the full size version, you guys, is because one of my very first Birchboxes, like literally like 5-6 years ago, I got a little version of the Mary Luminizer just like this, and I used the heck out of it. I used that thing like every day and I was obsessed. I finally purchased the full size version because I loved it so much from getting these little samples. I know I was complaining about them, but sometimes you find things you really like. So that's how that happened. I just personally don't end up using tiny little things and they get lost in my collection, so that's my beef with it. But I do find a lot of really cool things I like. Alright, next thing we have is by Lue, and this is the Balance Hydrating and Calming Serum. I thought this was a hair product at first. My bad. Use morning and night. Wow, it has like 4 ingredients, which is amazing. That's kind of cool. I really like things like that, so I'll probably give this a try because I'm very into hydrating things and my skin hates me, so it needs to be soothed. Alright, next up we have this product from Bella Pierre. This is the Stay Put Brow Gel in the shade Cardamom. I'm not sure this is my color. Yeah, I think this would probably go really well with my mom's eyebrows instead of mine, so maybe I'll give this to her. But yeah, I don't think that's gonna work for my brow hairs, but that is pretty cool, and I think, yeah, these have little brushes on the end, so it's good for on the go. Alright, last thing we have in here is by Caviar CC Cream. This is the 10-in-1 Complete Correction Leave-In Hair Perfector. I have had this before. I got a sample just like this in my boxes before, and I really liked it. I think this brand is actually pretty pricey. I think they sell it at Sephora, so that's pretty cool. And leave-in conditioners is like one of the only things I put in my hair, so 100% be using this. So this was everything in my Ipsy bag, and it's not too bad. I'm very excited about this because I do really like this a lot. I have tried it. I have the full-size version of this. I will be giving this to my mom. I'm very interested in this little hydrating serum because I've been going for more hydrating things lately, and this lipstick, I really like the color. But looking at it on the back of my hand, I'm gonna give it a little touch and see if it's dried down. Yeah, it hasn't really dried down. I don't think it's a liquid to matte lipstick, but if you kind of like press your lips together, it does give it like a more matte finish. It's not as glossy, but it definitely does not dry down. But that's not like a bad thing necessarily. I do wear a lot of lip products like this, and I really like the color a lot. Now we're gonna move on to January's Boxycharm. As usual, I do have a link down below where you can sign up. It is an affiliate link. You don't have to use it if you don't want to, but if you decide to sign up and you'd like to help a girl out, I really do appreciate it so very much. So with all that said, let's see what is inside this Boxycharm. It's kind of like barely staying shut. It's stuffed to the brim. So let's open it up. We have a little postcard that says, Rock 2018. I will try Boxycharm. I will try to rock 2018. The first thing right on the top is from Crown. It's the Glam Metals eyeshadow palette. Ooh, I'm gonna open this up. I really like the packaging a lot. Ooh, okay. So this is what the colors look like inside. I believe they are all a metallic shade, except for this one right here, which looks like a more matte, like dark gray black shade. I really like that a lot. I'm gonna give this a swatch because I'm curious. Let's test some shades out. Ooh, that black is really pretty. I really like that a lot. Let me do it on the back of my hand. Okay, ooh, look at those colors. I'm actually very impressed. Very pigmented. I like this a lot. Definitely will put this in my collection. I'll play with this for sure. I like that. Next thing we have is from IT Cosmetics. It's the Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. So I believe it's in the shade Universal. Oh, Universal Taupe. I've had this before. And I think I got it from a box, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I've definitely had this before, and I actually really do like it a lot. It suits my brow hairs really nicely. This is what it looks like. It's a really nice color. It's like not too cool and it's not too warm. Like it says, like a taupey shade. So it's a full-size product. I love brow things. This is definitely going to go in my collection. I'm definitely going to use this. I have tried it before, so I know I'm gonna like it. We have a product from Dr. Brandt. This is the Pores No More Luminizer Primer. Ooh, I do have a few scrubs from Dr. Brandt that I really do like, and those also came in boxes. So I've been really enjoying it. Dr. Brandt's like a pretty pricey line, if I do say so myself. So this is a, what was it? Luminizer Primer, Pores No More. I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand, see what this looks like. Ooh, it feels really, really good. Very creamy. It doesn't have like that silicone-y feel, which I do not like. I don't like silicone-y primers because A, they clog my pores and they just, I don't know, they feel weird to me. That actually just absorbs into skin really nicely, but my skin feels really soft and smooth. 100% gonna be using that. I actually really like that a lot. All right, next up, ooh, okay. This is from Galactic. This is their matte lip paint in the shade. Posh! Oh, that's my favorite color. Okay, so Posh is probably one of my most favorite colors from the Galactic liquid lipstick line. It's like the most beautiful, warm, like terracotta nude shade. It's perfect for every day. Definitely one of my go-to colors. Love. And the formula of Galactic liquid lipsticks, if you've never tried it, it's amazing. It's definitely in my top. So yeah, that's really exciting. It's a full-size product. Very cool, very cool. And the last thing we have in here is from Pure Cosmetics. This is the Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. It looks like there's like a trio in here. So let's open this up. Oh, wow. Ooh. So this is what it looks like inside. You have like a bronzy highlight and blush, I suppose. But they're all kind of like metallic shades. Like I wouldn't necessarily wear this as a bronzer, and this is like not my type of blush color, but I'm gonna give these a swatch and see. You never know. Holy crap, that is oof. Okay, now the highlighter. Oh my god, and then the blush. I'm picking up so much product on my fingers though, like a lot comes off on your hands. So when you're putting this on your face, be very careful. But oh god, wow, that's intense. Are you sure this is for the face? Oh my god, I am like shooketh to the core. What is this? Oh my god, like, and I still have so much left on my finger. Okay, that highlighter, 100% I will put that on my face. That is gorgeous. This, these two colors right here, not so much. Eyeshadow wise, yes. That brown on the lid just like smoked out. Yes, please, amazing. But whoa, whoa, I'm like so, this is intense. Jeez Louise. I feel like I say this in every single video, but holy crap, this was an amazing box. Like every single product will go to use. I'm very excited about everything. Like there's not one product I hate. This little cheek trio thing situation, like I was not expecting that at all. At all. Like it is so pretty. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the other colors besides the middle shade, but wow. So that was a freaking amazing Boxycharm once again, but this is probably like one of my more favorites. I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna keep saying that, but I really like this one a lot. And lastly, we have Facetory, and Facetory is a monthly subscription box for sheet masks, which I personally really love. They're so fun and easy to use, and I'm really excited to see what's in here. Of course, they give me a little coupon code for you guys. I don't get anything out of it. It's mesijesibeauty for 20% off your first box or kit, which is very nice of them. So it looks like this is actually kind of like a collaboration box with Facetory and Samage. That's her username, Sam. I'm sorry if I butchered it, but I do know who she is. I do watch her on YouTube. There's a little picture of her right there. That's really exciting and fun. So I guess they like teamed up to pick out some masks together. There's a little handwritten note in here. They always write the cutest little notes. And of course I'm like obsessed with the tissue paper. It's like blue little sparkles in there. I don't know, I just really like tissue paper. So we have a little postcard in here with a little description of all the masks, which we're not going to look at yet. Alright, we have the postcard in here with a little description of all the sheet masks, which we're not going to look at yet. Alright, first up we have this mask right here. It says, I don't know yesterday brightening mask, and it has some young adults partying it hard. So it looks like something you would do after a very long, fun night of partying. You don't remember what happened last night, but you know your skin needs some help. This is going to be the mask for you. I don't know, I just made a situation in my head, but that's really, really cool. Next mask is, oh, this one has like this little tube of something inside. I've never really seen one that looks like that. This kind of looks like the Instagram logo. Just me. This is from Entia. It's the no filter brightening camera mask, and this little bottle up here is the step 1, and then the actual sheet mask is step 2. So I'm gonna have to look on how to really use that, but that's pretty cool. This one is called Simply When Cosmic Calm Soothe Stressed Out Skin. Yeah, me, always. Tea tree oil, calendula flower, and arnica montana flower extracts. Ooh, I love anything with tea tree because I do have very like sensitive acne prone skin, and it's currently on an outburst, so that's always very good for it. This mask is really, really cool. It's the Modeling Mask Serum with squalane, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this mask is actually gold, or it has like gold flecks in it, which is really interesting. I like masks that kind of like look different, not just like a white mask, so that's gonna be really fun to try out. This is the Camellia Wrinkle Care Natural Nourishing System Extreme Micro Silky Mask. Supplies nutrition, anti-wrinkle, and moisturizing. I love that these have a lot of like calming and moisturizing and brightening effects, because that's honestly all I want in my skin. That's all I want. This looks like a fun mask, and it's making me thirsty. It's called Juicy Mojito Clearing Mask. Lime and peppermint. Ooh, coconut gel mask. This is so cool. I really love the packaging of that. I'm so thirsty right now, actually. I need some water. And this very last one is called the Magic Bubble Mask. Ooh, okay, so I've actually never tried the sheet mask version of the masks that kind of like bubble up. I have tried one before, but this is gonna be really fun, and I cannot wait to freak my boyfriend out. He's gonna get a kick out of that. I know what I'm doing tonight. That was everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing videos. It's always so much fun to do with you guys. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, mesijesibeauty, Snapchat, JesiJet, and Instagram Makeup by Jesi. And of course, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please do so. It would mean the world to me. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!